Easter. Most people think of things like church, perhaps brunch with families, but here in Sayulita, it's Semana Santa, and that's not Week of Santa Claus. It is Easter, and that means lots and lots of tourists. Locals here have pretty much described this week as the zombie apocalypse come to life. And why is that? Because there are literally so many tourists that roll into town. Every parking space here is taken. There's just a steady stream of cars in. There's so many people, it's hard to go to restaurants. It's kind of impossible to go to the store, that sort of thing. So just like a zombie apocalypse, we've stocked up. We've got water, we've got beer, we've got tequila, we've got our food, we've got walls around the house for safety, and we're living good up here on the hill. But what's going on down in town? What's it look like down there? Let's head down and find out.
Off into town we went in search of the crowds. But wait, was it all hype? We took a few steps closer to the beach and
this is obviously the most amount of people we've seen on the beach on any weekend. I don't even have an idea how many more though. It's like, I don't know, 4 or 6 times more than we've seen on the busiest day here. Okay, this isn't what it was talked up to be. I mean, like, it's not bad out there. There's just a ton of people, which is really kind of cool. So many times you go on vacation or you go on holiday somewhere and you're just surrounded by more Americans on vacation. But here, it's being in the extreme minority and it's all like Mexicans on vacation, which is awesome to see. We shot over to Guadalajara this past month and then came back to Sayulita before we leave. So now it's like we're able to kind of put ourselves in those shoes for everybody who's coming out here from Guadalajara. All that same stuff that you encounter when you go on vacation or road trips when the roads are so busy. Like, same thing here during Semana Santa. The other really cool thing, it seems like there's kind of a controlled chaos down at the beach. In the US, I feel like there's always, I don't know, police or some regulation getting in the way of certain things. There's just so many vendors down there, dogs running around, and just so many people, and they don't necessarily have that problem here. By the way, it's not lost on me how funny it must sound me talking about other tourists since we're always tourists. But I guess the fact now that we're like just permanently tourists all the time makes it feel less like we are. We just kind of live wherever we're visiting right now. Tourist.
Maybe it's 'cause we are.
As day turns to night in Sayulita, I've recruited my 2 roommates, 2 idiots like myself, to venture into town, be brave, and see what adventures lay before us.
This is a great time. This is a great time to introduce Matt, that random British accent that you heard in the other video.
Oh, we're actually doing this?
Yeah, hey Matt.
You're literally in the video right now.
Perfect.
So I keep pushing rewind, hoping you'll still by my side. We can't get lost in time. Or don't you wanna do it all again? Start on repeat in my mind, dancing with you by my side. We can't get lost in time. Yeah, I wanna do it all again. We were on top of the world, had time that we wasted. We were young and so dumb. I knew that you were I know the tension's gone now, and that you won't come back. Keep looking back, don't wanna forget ya. Yeah, I wanna do it all again, so I keep pushing rewind, hoping you'll still by my side. We can't get lost in time, but don't you wanna do it all again?
It's 11 o'clock at night. There's still like toddlers walking around. It's obviously filled with people. It's pretty much battle of the bands out here. Who can be louder? This is gonna continue till, I don't know, 4:30 or 5 in the morning based on what we heard just way up on the hill last night. So I'm gonna stay out here all night, just kind of check things out and report in every few hours.
You know that I don't wanna feel this way again, so let's pick up the pieces that we left unsaid.
It's 2 a.m. It's still going on out here. It's crazy. Babies, toddlers, music. It's nuts. Things are winding down. It's 4:30. I think we can safely say we did it all today. I'm finally gonna go to bed. Semana Santa, nuts. That's it. Todos. Todo.
Baila en la calle, de noche baila en la calle. Baila en la calle, de noche baila